In the Netherlands, we love eating potatoes. And for each kilo of chips that is eaten by us, 25% is ending up as peeling and scraps. This forms a valuable waste stream of 814,000 tons annually in our tiny country. At the same time, we are one of the most low-lying countries in the world and entirely surrounded by the ocean and its estuaries. So it's great to grow up here as an ocean lover, and it's also the reason why I now want to talk you through the connection between potato scraps and restoring ocean health. I am Melenda Teunis, and as a marine biologist I am passionate about the ocean. Its productive estuary, its capacity to store carbon, its biodiversity. You can really tell we are living on a blue planet. But still there's few attention going towards our ocean health. The deterioration of coastal ecosystems is worrying me, because it not only affects nature, but also the livelihoods of humans live alongside the oceans. That is where our potato comes in. Me and my team designed a biodegradable and bio-based nature restoration product that uses potato scraps. The permeable but rigid kickstarting matrix protects plants and animals in their early life stage so that they can survive. After a while, the structure breaks down, leaving only nature behind. We apply these biodegradable products now in over 20 different countries and on 150 different restoration locations, restoring 10 different types of coastal ecosystems. In our restoration efforts, we have connected over 500 volunteers to coastal nature restoration, as well as kickstart at least 15 hectares of nature, still growing of course. We are also very proud of our close collaborations to a worldwide community of scientists. They are hardworking people acting as pioneers in the field of coastal restoration and improving ocean health. A great example is our first Australian reef, which was buzzing with life within the first year. We saw fish and corals and shellfish, and later on the whole pilot area is acting as one big reef. With our company, we strive to replace polluting materials like plastic and concrete that are used in coastal restoration with effective, biodegradable and bio-based materials, and are worldwide frontrunners in this field.
10 years ago, we would never think that eating chips will be good for the ocean. And now we are keen to outroll these biodegradable products and thereby restoring our ocean health.